they sing that.
I know, that's why there is greatness in your family.
You will not make heaven. I'll finger your eye now.
No, it's okay.
But wait, this trailer we will see now, it did something where there are several things where they're very different about this trailer, but one thing why I noticed really very different about this trailer is say, other trailers, shut up, I will kill you! Sit down! No! Bah! Why voice not there for not just music?
But you don't hear a taste of love.
So it's not the aggressive love.
Love, no. And not be Nigerian love. Not be Nigerian love. This is Nigerian love, they come with energy, with muscle, with strong face.
My brother. Nigerian love. Make I talk this way, oh my God, they talk. Boys to men. You see they go sing you again. Close to me, you like my mother. You see girl, no? When you love. Close to me, you like my sister. You are the only one. See how they compare the girl. Close to me like my mother. Close to me like my father. Close to me like my sister. But Nigerian artists. My jollof rice, how you they do today? My tomato just,
Oh, banana.
My banana. Waiting then they do to jollof rice. The guy will chop your destiny away.
Not be lie. Not be lie.
Now, tell us about this movie. What's it there about? Now, movie have been a series.
Not series, not TV series.
Okay.
Actually, we've been shooting about 156 episodes.
Wow.
Yeah. Already on TV now.
You don't do on TV now?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
We've been shooting for Ibadan.
Okay.
And it's a love triangle, like most love stories. A love triangle. It's a story of
Who
young
be the
man.
triangle, the girl or the boy? Is it two boys to a girl or two girls to a
two
boy?
girls to a boy.
Now say they
That's how they always
two
be.
girls to now say we are
No,
out.
not.
We are out.
No, we go do our own. Two boys to a girl. What do we call them?
Nah,
The
lie.
fruit of love.
You and who? Now me you come there among the boys.
No, now we go just do
Easy
our...
Beats and K-Moss.
Go do...
No. It's K-Moss and K-Solo.
K-Moss and K-Solo.
No.
Easy Beat and K-Solo are a better combo.
No. It's K-Solo fit key Easy Beats.
So go win him.
He go win him. He go just poison him.
So K-Solo and K-Moss.
K-Moss and then no K-Solo will still kill K-Moss. Continue, my brother.
So I just love triangle of one man and who's in love with a girl and in Papa and the girl Papa used to be business partners.
Okay.
But
Okay.
money don't scatter them.
Oh.
So they're the enemies now.
Chai.
So the girl Papa don't make him marry. And that girl did by the side, where they dare to marry him. He want him, he not to send them. See the person when he want, her Papa not want.
Hi.
Money they there, money they here, but not dirty money. Both dirty money.
So
Nice
the
story.
story con they come out from
Just
there.
to come out, not dirty money.
Con they bruise.
Money the dirty. But money na money.
No, there's some kind of color of money.
Elements, money na money.
Well, dirty
Leave
money.
that,
dey.
you know.
So,
Dirty
what,
money.
now the thing where you work on now be this. I be what you
No,
work on now
I
presently.
don't finish this one. Now, I did on a series of films for African Magic them.
You are not very easy, oh. And you want to, you know, servicing some very.
No, you know talk about kind of movie. You know where they put talk about. Let me say you did here. How they put talk about for the likes of what's me that guy we do figurine. Kule Afolarin and Tunde Kelani.
In other words, what they talk, we say, in director when get eye, the third eye and the naked eye that sees only the truth, even in the darkness. All right, so understand.
You they sit down.
They think, they see.
Think, not be
So
like
be like winch for
like
that
winch.
instead of to
You understand?
think.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you be right. You be right. Your own review about that Kule Afolayan movie Figurine and that retired Dominic movie The Meeting. Tell us about them.
Actually, Kule Afolayan I've been fan from long time. I won't follow on work before I go service, but you know great work. So when I see that film, Figurine, I watch him. I go back, I watch him again the second time. I can't reason say, make I even write review about this. I don't get blog, I don't get newspapers. I just write them naturally, put for Facebook. So people can see, they can shout, can blow them, where I not send them. Kule can go see them. Kule can call me. You know how they talk now, hello? Who is you? My name is Atapa like you. Really? What have you been busy doing? That give you the F13 to A?
Yes.
You just change
Where
them.
they talk.
So when you find some time, let's have a talk in the office. I can't go in office.
Now person call you, he say who is
Yeah. I reach there now, you can say, okay, you don't see my work. Say, which film I don't do? I say, I never do film that time then. Say, na television, I did do small television shows. See, I get small mouth for documentary because I train documentary small.
Yes.
Say, okay. You're bold. I like you. When I find a TV job, I'll call you. Fast track 6 more down the line, he got a call. They call him from, say they want to do 126 documentary. Now Yoruba one, Ishedale Yoruba. We go travel all 9 Yoruba states, visit places, talk to people. He just called me and say, hey, Mr. Filmmaker, Shebi, you say you sabi television. Come go do this one. And that was it. Just collect the job. Most of the time, I say, you know, greedy.
And you ginger for the job because now they can't work well.
Now to prove myself now.
Yes. So.
I just enter road, bus trip. Mighty, fantastic crew will enter. And we do better job. Came out, enter television. People begin call us again and say, thank God. At times it's good to abuse people.
You know, this is an example of when they say one decision can change your life.
Can change your life.
One decision.
And that's it. Since then, it go hard. Me want do job, me not come. There's none of in job when don't do since then till now. We follow come.
Wow. So what of the meeting that
The meeting, I like him, yeah? Because before, I not to believe the person with direct Mildred Oko, I not to believe her directing style. But when I consider me, that's, we're not to get female directors for Nigeria. So anyone where you see, Mona quick clap for him. It's okay, this film try make sense. I can't do my review. As usual, I don't get blog. I just send them out. But people go naturally copy them to put for other blogs.
Yes.
So she can't see them. She, in her case, she not great call me. She just add me for Twitter. follow me. Follow me 1 or 2 other places. Bam. As she be big person, so I don't say she don't follow me. It just it ain't normal. Make her just make her follow. Hello, madam. My name is Nato. I know you. I know you. I've seen your review. I say, okay, ma. Say, well, nice job. Say you try. Say she like him. Say, but we wait for your film.
Wow.
But not that, you know. You talk about anybody job?
Yes, they wait to see your own.
Naturally, they go wait. So that's why.
So the end will now be on you.
You must try. Shall people like us who get small loud mouth? You must try. They could laugh if you're not fine. They could laugh if you're not sweet. So they say, talk about when you film, they go cinema. Say, guy, wait now. If food goes sweet, they go take for kitchen.
Yes, so.
Make I do all these small ones first.
Yes.
Might use one body. But when I'm ready, I'm gonna go see the film.
Yes. And that kind of thing. Okay, so it can't be me like say you be the kind of person where you know go fit they shoot. You know they in your nature. So they shoot like maybe 12 film in 3 months.
Why?
Those kind.
I don't need them.
No, you know so some people get that kind of talent. It's special talent.
My brother.
You shoot 12 film in 3 months.
What's your fasten? Then go call you. Hello? Yeah, Mr. Producer. Man. He made this film. He what Genevieve name. Yeah, Genevieve is going to die in the movie. Then she will not come. Now they give you script. Now then they give. I don't they want a movie producer office for Sue Leary. When you come me one time, they show me one script where you go like make a but now money when you talk, and make me not do one. I don't want to waste my time. They do all these things. Now day why I get this G's. Marketer and I ain't call him.
How he won't make the film?
He won't make the film day. Oh yeah, no, oh yeah, laugh ya. Oh yeah, fire go to ya. And the guy agree. Okay, sir. Okay, no. We'll do it like that. Marketer will give money now.
Now your money. Is it your money?
We make me ask you now. How you go take describe filmmaking in Nigeria? In fact, in other countries, then compared to Nigeria.
How may I say? We see the learn, but we learn very, very fast. But we see the learn. Because they do, if you see film, where then they make film not religion, film no be job.
Now cult, now like you following.
You know if you say be filmmaker, I digress more. So I come out, person meets me, hi, I like your outfit. So what do? I'm a filmmaker. I say, oh, really? So aside that, what else do you do? Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
I do this one, not rich. Make I find that thing, join this one.
Yes, yours because...
It's like, do you talk to a doctor, ask doctor, say, hey, nice doctor, aside doctoring, what else do you do?
I doctor.
So as I was saying, yeah, we see the learn, but we learn fast. Things go pure. But I go reason, or I'll let my people reason, if you go school or learn craft somehow.
We pertain to the film making.
Yeah, not just things say because you don't follow concept or you think say you get talent. Guys, like they talk talent is never enough. Talent is cheap. You dey go audition. You dey see crowd. All talented, fabulous people.
Yes.
But talent not great rich anymore. So you need to learn small. Someone will say, if you don't get talent, you're not supposed to go to school. No problem. If your 9-year-old daughter not well, and you go hospital, who you go give? The hospital gets man or the doctor will read them for school. So every time someone cannot go school, go read, waiting I want use buy house for Banana Island.
I don't know.
And buy boats.
Anyway,
And we are here.
no,
Wetin be
not
our
forget.
plan?
Oh, you think, wait,
Somebody
wait.
say, your
No.
brother say no. Hold on. Your brother, waiting be Igbo name. Your brother saying one buy house, Banana Island and buy boat.
Must buy
Waiting you one buy.
You see, relax. You see this my brain why they think stupid things. Now I go so enter. You know, I go so enter movie. I go soon begin to direct my own movies.
Straight.
You like this.
We has a dream.
So you go with 2 sons and co.
We has a dream.
Yes.
That one day.
We will, yes, I can.
One day.
Yes.
People watch one movie, one trailer from Tokyo like Emerald. When they come back, we has a dream.
You wanna go let you go, Jojo. I do this song for you just to let you know, Jojo. I want to keep you, wanna go let you go, Jojo. The way you dance.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry